Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be discussing the letter spacing property in CSS. The letter spacing property is used to adjust the amount of space between each character in a text. This property can be used to add or remove space between characters depending on your desired effect. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as creating a separate file called styles.css inside the CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. And open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add a couple of h1 headings and a couple of lengthy paragraphs. Since the paragraphs are a bit longer, I'm going to copy and paste it in. So first, the h1 heading, call this default letter spacing. And I'm going to paste in my first paragraph. If you want to type this in, take a moment and type this in, or refer to the resources in the links in the description. You can copy and paste from there as well. Next is my second h1 header. This one I'm going to say 0.25 rem letter spacing. Then I'm going to paste in my second paragraph. For the second paragraph, I've also included an ID of non-default letter spacing. If you're planning to type this in, pause the video and take a moment to do that. Otherwise, also, you can copy and paste from the links in the description. Now over in the style.css file, I'm going to clear out the styles from the previous video and give the non-default letter spacing ID a style. As the heading says, I'm going to give it a letter spacing of 0.25 rems. As you can see, this looks very different than the default letter spacing. Go ahead and experiment with different values and units and see what happens. It's important to remember that if you use a negative value for the letter spacing property, that it will cause the characters to overlap each other. This can be useful for creating unique visual effects in your text. So there you have it, a quick overview of the letter spacing property. Now that you know how to use this property, you can add more style and flair to your text. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.